So, hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Today I'm bringing a small video on the upcoming Amavasya, which is on the 30th of November, which is called as the Margashirsha Amavasya or the Shani Amavasya because it falls on Saturday. Many ask me, is the Amavasya on the 30th of November or the 1st of December? It is on the 30th of November because the according to the Panchang, it starts on the 30th November in the morning by 10:50 or 11 a.m. and it goes on till the next day 11 a.m. So technically, when we do ancestral rituals or the hoodoo rituals for ancestral blessing or the candle rituals or even our Hindu rituals, we do it during the Amavasya morning. So technically then your 30th November is your Amavasya, and it's a very powerful Amavasya because it's also falls in the month of Kartik, what we say, or the Margashish, what we say, and at the same time it's a Saturday, it's a Shani Amavasya. I want to bring in simple tips which you can do on the 30th of November and also on the 1st of December. As usual, all my Hodu students can start working on your ancestral kits. You can start doing the most powerful ancestral blessing, which is your ancestral kits. With that, you can start doing it. And my candle magic students, as usual, can work with your candles, which you pray for your ancestral blessings. And those who have done Vika from me, you can work on the new moon day with the blessings of Hecate, which is the 1st of December, because Hecate is the most has the most powerful energies when she is prayed on the uh, on the 1st of December or on the new moon every year. Sorry, I had to put a pause. So that is one thing which you can all of you can do. And the weekends on the 30th of November, you can also work on the negativity removal. Those who have done level 2 with me, they will work on the negativity removal ritual, and those who have done level 1 with me, they can just work on their altar, call on Hecate, because Hecate is the goddess of the dark, so she can do that. Now coming to my other students and followers who always wait for my tips. I know I have not been bringing tips regularly because of my own schedule and then in between of my health issues and everything. तो मुझे लगा आज फिर ना छोटे छोटे टिप्स कर दिया जाए. Many people come to me saying that the children are not studying, the children are not focusing on their studies. So for them, I want to give a small tip. On the Shani Amavasya day, take some nice pure water. In that, add a little bit of saffron, the kesar, what we say. And with that saffron, what you can do is you can add a pinch of kacha kapur, the raw camphor, and keep it in front of, if you have Dhanvantri, then Dhanvantri, or keep it in front of Ma Saraswati. All right, and just leave it there for 5 minutes and burn a lamp, burn a ghee ka diya over there. Now, inside the ghee ka diya, put one elaichi. All right, burn that and ask Ma Saraswati to bless that water with her energies, and you give this to your children. Do this regularly from the Amavasya day, and you will see good changes in the children. But Amavasya day, you can start the most powerful day. So that is one thing I wanted to tell you all, which can be done for children who are not focusing on their studies or children who have issues with their studies. And in fact, I'm bringing a Diwali sale. Sorry, I keep saying Diwali, Diwali. I don't know why. I'm bringing maybe the last sale was Diwali. So I'm bringing a New Year sale, which is again on the new moon, which is the 1st of December. So in that, I am actually bringing a specialized Saraswati locket in silver, the Saraswati based locket, which we will be doing the mantra chanting and we will be giving it to the people who pick it up for studies, because I had given to two specific children, and in that one boy has started pursuing for his doctor study, who was a guy or a boy who never used to study, and I had given it to one more student whose daughter is now focusing on her education. So I thought, why not bring it back, because I had brought it, I think, 1 year back, and after that I never brought it for the sale. So okay, and that is, if you want to take it, you can obviously WhatsApp me. So this is one water which you can make, and on the Amavasya day in the night, you can burn black candles, intending that all negativity is going away from your house. Because technically on the 30th of November, people do Ganga Sthan, people do Tarpan, people keep food for their ancestors. So that is all you can do. So that's why I said, for my Hoodoo students and for my non-Hoodoo students, for my Vika students, the my followers, what they can do is They can also keep some boiled rice, मतलब चावल को पका के sprinkle little till on it, the black till, and leave it for the crows. But what I actually do is I love feeding cows, so I would prefer if you can feed some cows on that day and seek their blessings so that the ancestors can bless you. And okay, now coming on the 1st of December, which is your actual new moon day, all my weekend students out there, work with Hecate. She will give you beautiful blessings. She will give you a lot of growth and abundance if you work with her on that day. Now, for the rest of you all, what you can do is, it's a Sunday basically. It's a very powerful day. So, Sunday evening, not Sunday evening, Sunday afternoon between 12 to 1, do a Surya Mudra. And what you can do is take a clay lamp, okay? In that clay lamp, apply haldi in that clay lamp and let it dry. Maybe you can do it of one day before so that you can apply the haldi and it dries. And in that, you'll have to pound. Don't use your mixies. You will have to pound one long, okay, which is one clove, one ilaichi, which is one cardamom, and a small pinch of kacha kapur. Pound it, add it in your ghee, and then put that in the lamp and do the Surya Mudra for 10 minutes. All right. Now, the same day evening after 6 o'clock, for abundance to come into your life, what you can do is you can take one more lamp, or you can use the same clay lamp, but you'll put coconut oil in it. And in that coconut oil, you will add a pinch of kesar. All right. And you will take totally 8 such lamps. Total 8 for Ashtalakshmi concept. So we will take 8 lamps and then we will put in all the 8 coconut oil, and we will burn this between 6 to 8. Now between 6 to 8, you can chant any Lakshmi mantra, you can chant any Kuber mantra if you want, and you can burn this for abundance to come in your life. All the 8 will have only coconut oil, no other oil can be added with your wick. If it was a Friday new moon, I'd have asked you all to use lotus wick, but it's a Sunday which is a new moon, so you can use your normal wicks that day. In the night at 11:11, it's very powerful that day on the 1st of December. In the night at 11:11, what you can do is, those who have candles, or if you even don't have candles, you can pick up a normal green candle. All right. In that green candle, take one green candle and take one red candle, and just burn it for abundance and prosperity to come into your house. One more thing, what you can do that day is, at around 6 o'clock, I told you all the lamp ka diya which you're burning. Before that, take equal quantities of rose water and normal water. All right, equal quantities of rose water and normal water. In that, put a pinch of haldi, okay, and in that you can also put a pinch of kesar. Soak it for some time. So maybe by 4:30 evening, make it and soak it and keep, and then sprinkle it around your house, inside your house also. That energy is what it will do, is it will break the unwanted negative energies and it will bring in positive energies to the house. That ways it will work beautifully. So that is one thing also you can do. So I guess try these small tips. I didn't have time to make the proper tips that I always make, so I just thought, why not make it up, because I'm also busy for the sale which is coming December 1st. And yes, before I stop the video, this sale is going to be with amazing products. And as usual, my Baba candles are coming, Sai Baba candles, which come only once a year, you all know it. So Sai Baba candles are coming, prosperity kit is coming, a lot more new things are coming. So if you want to be a part of the sale, then WhatsApp me at 917-623-1990, and I shall pray that the goddess Hecate bless you all with load of abundance in the month of December and in the months and the years to come. God bless you all. Take care.